Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are coming with Ceracare. Ceracare products are safe, and if you are not aware about this, we are discussing all about its safety, quality and many more, so stay tuned for that and enjoy. Talking about its safety, so it is antibiotic-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, manufactured in an FDA-registered facility and no animal testing. Quality of Ceracare gathers the freshest and highest quality natural ingredients available. And always following good manufacturing practice, GMP, guidelines. Am I too old for this to work? It has worked wonders for men and women in their 30s, 40, 50s and even 70s. Because it was engineered based on teachings from one of the longest living doctors in the world, Ceracare formula is very gentle yet very powerful. At the same time, is Ceracare safe? Ceracare is 100% natural, safe and effective. Thousands of people enjoy taking Ceracare every day and we have not received one complaint about side. What is the best way to take Ceracare? Just take one capsule every day with your evening meal with a half glass of water. Thank you, this is all about it. For more information you can check the website link which is provided in description. Thanks, and do not forget to give like the video and subscribe this channel.